All right, so this is going to be the Bitcoin update for February 3rd. Going to start off real quick. Basically, what we've got going on now is obvious rejection up here around 90, let's call it 96.50. Pulling back off that, but still holding the 10 EMA. The 10 EMA is right here, 233 just below it. So if the 10 EMA falls, we'll probably see it come down into this 9,000 area. So just keep an eye on that. If the 10 EMA holds, we should go up and retest the highs, but it could just meander around in here for a little bit. So let's let some overbought conditions burn off a little bit and see what happens from there. So that's Bitcoin. I'm going to go over to a weekly chart real quick. Let's go ahead and pull that up. And you'll be able to see where we're pulling back off of, okay? This is the area of resistance right here that you see on the daily chart, but just above is the upper Bollinger Band. So it would not surprise to see us pull back just a little bit. We got the 10 EMA crossing the 20, the very bullish sign. So a pullback to that would not surprise at all. So could we get one of those moves down to it and then pull, continue the march higher? Sure, we could. So anyway, we'll just see what happens here. We still got a lot of time. It's a weekly chart, but let's just take it from there. Let's go ahead and move on. Let's go take a look at Ethereum. And right now I've got no fib retracements until we get up to the 78.6, which is around $200. We do have some resistance over in this area, which is where we're stalling at now. So a lot of congestion over here that was resistance is still resistance. So if it can push that through that, it could make a move kind of like Litecoin did, and we'll go to that one next. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Obviously, once we broke that old resistance level, she made the pop higher, got above the 233, and it's still kind of holding it. Could retrace back to the 10, around 67. Could even come back and retest the old, what somebody pointed out, inverted head and shoulders. That's your neckline right there. A bullish sign would be a retrace to it and then just make a monster move higher. So we'll watch this one in the next few days. Right now it's just kind of chopping around, boring stuff. Let's go to XRP. XRP bust. It's retesting the 200-day moving average. All the EMAs look really bullish right here, okay? The shorter ones, the 10, the 20, and the 50 are all hooking up, testing the 200. Next area of resistance and the 233 will be right in this 27-cent range. If that breaks, then I fully expect it's going to come up and retest this old area of resistance at 31 cents. So that would be a good percentage gainer. Let's move on to XTZ. Big winner over the weekend. Held the 10 EMA and just made a monster move a lot higher, obviously over $2. Hit some, retrace fibs up here around 206. That happened today, pulling back off that and retesting the 10 EMA. Next area of resistance, $2.19. Okay, so that's XTZ. Let's go take a look at ADA. That's kind of been one that's just steadily stair-stepping higher, right? So 10 EMA is driving this thing. If you're playing it, use your stop loss just right, or trailing stop right below that 10 EMA. That's driving price higher. So that's ADA. Let's take a look at Link. And made a nice move back up here to the 1272 retracement, close to $3, just shy of it. Retracing off of that. Let's see if it can hold here. If not, move down to the 20 EMA at 262, and then see if that holds. And if it does, then you're looking at a move up to 315, 316 area. ZRX made a call on this one in the channel the other night. Still looking really good. I talked about it, and it was this double bottom right over here, big move off of it, and now you get that correction move down, and now it's trying to pull back out of it, and it's holding the 200-day moving average, holding the 10, and trying to get right back above that 233. If it does this, then I'm fully expecting this thing to come up here and retest 25 and then make a move up to 28 cents, probably in short order, and then possibly even 30 cents. So that's what I've got on everything tonight. So we'll probably do a live stream maybe tomorrow night, answer any questions, do some chart requests. But in the meantime, hit the subscribe button down here if you like what you see. Obviously, hit the like button and the notification bell as well. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening.